Excel charts in 1 minute. Open Excel on your desktop. Once the data is organized and ready to graph, highlight the entire section. Make sure you included titles. Go to Insert and review the options that appear on the Editing tab. Then, select the type of chart you need. If you change your mind, right-click and you will see the option to change the chart type. New chart options will appear. Select the one you prefer. Once you have selected the type of chart you want to use, click OK. Now, notice that new options have appeared at the top of your editing bar, allowing you to continue improving your chart. If you want the chart on a different sheet, begin by clicking the plus sign at the bottom to add a new sheet. Double-click the sheet name to rename it. Now, go back to the chart. Right-click on the chart. Find Move Chart. Then click on the arrow facing down to view the other sheets. Select the new sheet and click OK. That is all for now. See you next time. Keep learning with Tech Time School.